Ever pondered on the secret to making a living as a content creator? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of content creation, and more specifically, how to monetize your work through the Benable website. First off, it's crucial to understand the magnitude of this opportunity. Content creation isn't just a hobby anymore. It's transformed into a viable career path. But how do you turn those creative ideas and hours of hard work into a steady income? The answer lies with Benable, a platform that bridges the gap between content creators and the financial reward they deserve. Picture this: your creativity paired with a monetization platform specifically tailored for content creators. Quite a match, isn't it? So, how do you get started with Benable? It's simple, and I'll walk you through it. First, navigate to the Benable website. Once there, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information. Fill in the necessary details, including your name, email address, and create a secure password. Next, you'll be asked to enter a referral code. This is where you input the code 8JXE2. This unique code offers you a head start on the platform, unlocking features that may otherwise take time to access. Once you've entered the code, click on Continue. You'll be directed to a page to set up your profile. This is your chance to let your personality shine. Fill it out with details that reflect who you are and what your content is about. Now you're all set to start creating and earning with Benable. It's that simple. Remember, every subscription, every view, every interaction with your content translates into earnings. So keep creating, keep sharing, and watch as the fruits of your labor start rolling in. But remember, patience is key. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making money as a content creator on Benable using the code 8JXE2. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to stay updated on more content like this, and don't forget to share this video. You never know who might need this information. In the world of content creation, knowledge is power, and sharing this power helps us all grow together. So, go ahead, create, share, earn, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing.